Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I'm here with an interesting video. It is an all-purpose gravy. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. Here I've heated a pan. Into that I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I've used olive oil for the purpose. Next we'll add spices. These are whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods and 1 star anise. Next we'll add half cup of garlic cloves. This is about 100 grams of peeled garlic cloves. Sort them till they turn golden. Next I'll be adding 1/4 cup, that is 50 grams of chopped ginger. Sort it till the raw smell goes away. Now to this I'll be adding 4 onions roughly chopped. Sort the onions till they turn translucent. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So our onions have turned soft. Next we'll add cashews. Here I've added around 50 grams of whole cashews. For working people, this recipe is really a time saver. Prepare them on weekends and enjoy a whole week of home cooked meals. How to make recipes using this gravy, I'll be sharing tips towards the end, so please watch them. Next I'm going to add 8 roughly chopped tomatoes. For the quantity of onions that I've taken, you have to double the quantity of tomatoes. Cover and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. You can use this gravy for making veg dishes like paneer makhani, mushroom masala, veg handi, and for non-veg dishes you can use this gravy for butter chicken, mutton kurma. So once the tomatoes are mashed, switch off the flame, allow it to cool down and then blend it into a fine puree. Next, heat a kadai. I've used the same kadai. In that add in olive oil and I'm going to use these spices. This is 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Sort the spices till the raw smell of the spices go away. Also please do ensure that the flame is on the lowest, else the spices will burn away quickly. Now add the sauteed and blended puree into this spice mixture. Rinse the blender jar with 2 glasses of water and then add that as well. Next, to balance the flavors, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can also add sugar instead of jaggery. I've tried to keep this recipe as simple and healthy as possible. Instead of butter, I've used olive oil, and instead of cream, I've used cashew. So you can say that this is also kind of vegan version of an all-purpose gravy. Gravy is ready. Allow it to cool down and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, I'll be sharing some recipes along with this. This is homemade white butter. For all those who have not watched that video, I'll be sharing the link below. White butter, unlike the processed ones, is essential for your bone health and is also good for boosting your immunity. I've used here a cast iron pan. Iron pan is really useful for all those who are suffering from iron deficiency. I'll be sharing the link to buy the pan as well in the description box below. This butter has a high smoking point. I've also added olive oil here. Instead of butter, you can also use olive oil or ghee. To all those who have watched my previous video, you would have understood how to preserve garlic for a long period of time. So I've been using that trick and tip in my daily cooking. So I'm going to add that garlic paste into this recipe. If you have not watched that video, I'll be sharing the link below. Please do watch and do share your feedback. So here are 2 recipes with this gravy. One is matar paneer and the other one is mushroom masala. Sort garlic paste for both the recipes in butter or oil. Add the veggies, add the gravy, and if required, top it up with some cream. For vegan version, avoid butter and cream and use the alternatives. Also, I've made veg handi where I've sauteed the veggies in garlic and butter and then added the gravy. Use these tips and tricks for smart and efficient cooking. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.